Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to... oh wait, you don't have to open settings, excuse me. You have to open contacts application, then you have to tap here, go to the settings, select import, then select SIM card. Here you can select like contacts which you have on your SIM card and which you want to copy on your device. So let's copy this info line, tap import, and as you can see, one contact imported, and now I have it on my device here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.